Hello everyone, hope you are all fine. I am Prashant and today I'll talk about the Node.js. So firstly I'll talk about what exactly is Node.js, then I'll talk about its features and the common use cases for the Node.js and this is and whatever showing in the screen and is the basic Node.js thing which I'll explain. Firstly talk about the Node.js. So Node.js is a powerful open source cross-platform JavaScript runtime environment that executes JavaScript code outside a web browser. So it was developed by Ryan Dahl in 2009, and Node.js is built on the VB JavaScript engine used in Google Chrome. It is designed to build scalable network applications, and it is particularly well suited for creating web server and other backend services. So first, talking about its features, first feature is asynchronous and event-driven, which means that it uses an event-driven, non-blocking I/O model. This means that operations like reading from the database, network request, or file systems calls are synchronous, which allows the server to handle multiple operations concurrently without waiting for any single operation to complete. Second feature is single threaded, which means that it effectively handles concurrent operations using its event loop mechanisms. This design helps manage a large number of connections and requests with minimal overhead. Third feature is cross-platform, which means that it is a platform independent which allows developers to run it on various operating systems including Windows, Mac operating system, Linux, etc. Fourth one is it is rich ecosystem with NPM, which means that it has a vast ecosystem of libraries, modules managed by the Node Package Manager, also known as NPM. So if you are using NPM, if you don't know the meaning of the of NPM, so NPM states that Node Package Manager, which is the largest ecosystem of open source library in the world, and developers can easily share and reuse code, speeding up the development. And the last one is not last one, but one of the important features of this Node.js is it is designed for scalability. Its non-blocking I/O model allows it to handle a large number of simultaneous connections with a high throughput, making it ideal for building scalable applications. Talking about its common use case for so the common use case for Node.js. First one is web servers and APIs. So it is widely used to build web servers and RESTful APIs. Its asynchronous nature makes it ideal for handling multiple requests effectively. So I'll talk about the every line which is mentioned here. I'll try to explain every line which is mentioned here so that you would get to understand what exactly is this Node.js. So what it is showing where HTTP requires HTTP, which means that it imports the built-in HTTP. This line imports the built-in HTTP module to create an HTTP server. Talking about this HTTP create server function request REQ and RES, which means that it creates an HTTP server that listen for incoming request and respond. So this REQ means stands for this means request, and this RES means respond. Third one is request write head 200 content type HTTP text and HTML, which means that it sets the this line sets the response header with status to code 200 and the content type as HTML. Talking about this line, it writes an HTML response, and this particular line will end the response. And this is the last line. Listen 3000. So it will start the server on port 3000 and logs a message whenever a server is ready. So here I have used console.log, and in this I have written server is listening on port 3000. So I am running it. Its file name is ashore.js. So firstly I'll go to the folder Node.js, and here I have to write cmd, and for running it I have to write node and the file name, which is ashok.js. Okay, sorry for the inconvenience. Node ashok.js. Okay, it is okay. I wrote dot. I call comma instead of dot. So there is some error. I have to again write. Oh, run it. Okay, so I'm again doing it. CMD node, and it is showing server is listening on port 3000. So as you can see, it is perfectly run. Sorry for the inconvenience. So yes, talking about its common uses, web servers and APIs I already mentioned. Second one is real-time applications, which means that application that require real-time communication, such as you can say chat applications or gaming server, or nowadays live streaming services. So this will benefit from they will benefit from Node.js event-driven architecture. Also, you can use here in the microservices. So it is well suited for building micro services due to its lightweight and modular nature, which allows developers to build small and reusable component. Another one is developer use Node.js to create various command line tools as well as script to automate tasks. So it is also used for automation tasks also, and it can also be used for render pages on the server side, which ultimately improves performance and SEO for web application. SEO means search engine optimization. So yes, Node.js is a powerful tool for building fast, scalable, and efficient application, particularly suited for IO heavy operations like web servers and real-time application. Its non-blocking, event-driven architecture and vast ecosystem make it popular choice among developers for a wide range of applications. So thank you so much for your time and consideration. Hope you have a great day. Bye.